Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Monica Rottlestab, and I'm just going over my flow chart, how to prepare ramen noodles. So firstly, we're going to go here to the beginning of the flow chart, and we're going to select the package of ramen noodle flavor that we like. So we're going to select the package as our first step. We're going to open the package of ramen noodles, and then our second step is going to be to bring 2 cups of water in a pan to boil. Nextly, you would add the noodles to the hot water, boil for 3 minutes or until soft. Then we go down here. Are the noodles soft? If yes, you can continue down. If not, correct it. You go back and it says boil 3 minutes or until soft. So you make sure they're soft. So now that are your noodles soft? Yes. You can go down, you add your flavor packet, you stir it, and then you are finally able to add the noodles to a bowl and enjoy. So that is the flow chart. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.